Hey guys, thanks for watching Pinko Speech. So today I'll be making easy but delicious spicy chicken. All you need is chopping board to cut your ingredients on and a microwave to cook your chicken. So I'm gonna start preparing the chicken now. So I need green onion, just a little bit. I put it on top of the chicken and some ginger. 2 slices to put on your chicken. I have cooking sake, 1 big tablespoon. I pour it on top of the chicken. And a pinch of salt. And I'm going to wrap this up. And I'll put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'll take it out, I'll flip the chicken over and then put it back in for 2 to 3 minutes until it's cooked. Okay, so while the chicken is in the microwave, I'm going to cut the cucumber that's going to go under the chicken and make the sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna make the sauce. So I have green onion. I'm gonna use about 20 centimeters. So I'm gonna cut this finely. So first, I'll put 1 big spoon of soy sauce. I'll put 1 big spoon of black vinegar. And I'll put half a big spoon of sweet cooking sake. I have Huajiao peppers, so I put these in. I'll squeeze a bit of the grated garlic, just a little bit. Tiny bit of chili oil. And I have this Sichuan tobanjang chili sauce. So if you like spicy food, you can put a little bit more than 1 big tablespoon. I like it, so I'm gonna put 1 big spoon, maybe a little bit more. And I put sesame seeds. And I'll mix this all together. Oh, it's looking good. I'm gonna try a little bit. So good. Okay, let me see if the chicken's ready. I think it's ready. Just like that. Oops. Let me get it out. Okay. And I'm gonna cut this chicken. It's looking good. Is on the cucumber. And I'll put this sauce on top. Delicious. Just like that, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.